Cardano just hit 4 million wallets. It is such a crucial key number. I'm going to break down why it's so important. In this video, I'm going to break down the upside potential for ADA. I've been covering ADA for years on this YouTube channel. This is strictly my crypto journey. I have so much confidence in the success of Cardano blockchain, and that is why it's very exciting tracking ADA on the charts, because I'm an ADA holder. But that's all this is. This is my crypto journey. This is how I see the charts. I'm not trying to spread hopium. I'm not trying to pump ADA at all. This is just me being very excited as a content creator, and I want to show you some really cool data because it'll be something else to look back in a couple of years and say, wow, we were right on track. And actually, we're already doing that from the last cycle. And that's kind of where I want to start in this video. So please hit that subscribe, hit the like button, and I'm going to show you what I'm seeing on the data, on the charts, and what I think is in store for ADA. This is in June 2020. I'm not going to show a clip right here, but this is a video when ADA was at 8 cents. You can see 8 cents. Now, in this video, we were discussing ADA going to $3 plus. So ADA was at 8 cents, we're predicting going to $3 plus. And that data, and this is where it's so important, that data was based off of some things that were happening with Ethereum. And actually, you can see in this quick clip, I discussed that at the beginning of the video, where Bitcoin was getting ready to have its halving. We were getting ready to go into the bull market cycle, and Ethereum was at the very beginning stages of that, right? I would say that that played out pretty well, the data that we were tracking. I did the video back here in 2020, and then we entered the bull market, and ADA didn't hit $3.33 like I was talking about in the video. I mean, it's extremely speculative, but it definitely hit $3 and broke above $3, putting in a $91 billion market cap. It was based off of a lot of different moving parts, a lot of different data. In this video, going to break down something similar. So here's where we are with ADA right now, coming out of a bear market, kind of this reset period, very similar to what was happening back here. Now, there's some key differences, and I want to start with this tweet because this is really what inspired me to do this video. This is from Alexander over here on Twitter. Just such a good tweet. Cardano's growth is about to get in overdrive. Cardano just breached the 4 million wallet mark. The reason this number is significant is Ethereum was at 4,095,000 wallets in July 2017 in a bull market as Ethereum's DeFi protocols were being built out. If you're an ADA holder, just tell me right now, does that not sound familiar? 4 million wallets, DeFi protocol being built out. We just broke all-time high in terms of ADA total value locked on Cardano blockchain as DeFi is really just kind of coming into fruition. And Ethereum doing something similar back in July 2017. I want to go to an Ethereum chart. So we're kind of covering this area on the Ethereum chart. Obviously, in the middle of the bull market, 4 million wallets, $21 billion market cap. Where is Cardano's market cap right now? We're looking at right around $12 billion market cap. So 4 million wallets, $12 billion market cap, compared to Ethereum, 4 million wallets, $21 billion market cap. Now, we know in that bull run, Ethereum went up to hit $125 billion market cap. In this past bull market, ADA didn't quite get there, but it hit 91 billion, close to 100, right? So ADA is kind of back here in terms of the path that it's on in terms of value. And this is what I've been saying all along. Cardano just kind of, it's behind in terms of development, right? In terms of just onboarding new projects and DeFi blowing up. And it's also behind in the charts, but it is on track. And this is how we kind of came to the conclusion of ADA seeing a $3 plus all-time high last bull market. And it's the same reason that we're talking about ADA growing to just something that ADA or Ethereum has seen recently in the last bull market, namely $546 billion market cap. So in terms of what could be potentially next in play for ADA, it's right in front of us. I've been saying $500 billion market cap should be, I don't want to say use the word easy, but it's 100% in play. This isn't my ADA all-time high prediction video for this next bull market. I'm still thinking about that. I'm still thinking about the number. But what I can say is in the not too distant future, a $500 billion market cap for ADA, considering all of this data that we just looked at, and it's very simple surface data regarding Ethereum, $500 billion is in play. That's a $15 ADA. And so for me, as a value investor, I enjoy making these videos because I'm tracking this. I'm tracking this journey. And it's really cool to look back years later and just see that, man, this was June 2020, and ADA really did kind of perform in a similar fashion to what we were looking at in terms of Ethereum, right? This was Ethereum in that 2018 all-time high. And that last cycle that we just went through with ADA, right? In that 2020, 2021, this was kind of ADA's move, and this was Ethereum back then in 2017. Same exact thing I am kind of anticipating, which is to say, here's Ethereum's 2020, 2021 move to $500 billion market cap. And this time around, it is getting ready for ADA to do something similar. I'm not even discussing the fundamentals here. I'm not even discussing what Cardano as a blockchain is doing. When I did this video last time, Shelly wasn't even here. The staking mechanism for Cardano, not even here yet. The Mary hard fork, not even here yet. Multi-asset ledger. Alonzo and smart contracts. That was like right at all-time high. So I did this video before all of the things were even here in terms of Cardano. Now all of those things are in place and DeFi is here. And we have Vassal most recently with scalability. And we have the governance conversation that's really picking up steam. The foundation for Cardano is set from a technical perspective, and it is more secure. It is more scalable. And it's, in my view, in my opinion, it is a better blockchain than Ethereum. Shouldn't leave out, it's more decentralized as well. And so with all of these things in play, we sit here today, 4 million wallets right now, and that's a similar number as 4 million wallets, Ethereum, back here, 2017. And we see what Ethereum went on to do. Broke $100 billion market cap, broke $500 billion market cap, and Ethereum, no doubt in my mind, is going to continue growing. It's going to continue putting in all-time highs. But in terms of myself, as somebody that's been tracking Cardano so closely, tracking ADA so closely, I can't ignore this data. And it's not something I'm trying to I'm not trying to sound overly excited. I'm not trying to just sound overly bullish, right? I'm not trying to be a permeable, but it's just the data on the screen is just very clear to me. And in terms of when I did the video last June 2020, it's the same thing. The data seems so clear. It seems so possible. And while there are absolutely no guarantees, there is so much risk in crypto in general. I'm always anticipating that it could all just fall apart, right? That's something I'm always trying to just keep in the back of my mind. I want to prepare for that risk, but it happened last time. I don't see any reason it can't happen again, or at least get pretty close. That's for another video, the ADA prediction video. Still trying to wrap my head around it, think about some different numbers. But this is what I wanted to discuss in this brief video today, and just wanted to talk about it because I came across this tweet from Alexander on Twitter, and it's a really good thread. I'll put a link in the description. You can go check it out. He goes into Binance Smart Chain and their wallets, and he starts really kind of digging into all of that data. So check that out. I'll put a link in the description. And let me know your thoughts in the comments below, everybody. I really appreciate you cruising through. Hit that subscribe and like. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.